In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an add-on in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're new to PowerPoint or an experienced user looking to enhance your presentations with new features, add-ons can be a game changer. They allow you to integrate external tools and features directly into your PowerPoint, enabling you to do more right from within the application. Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's simpler than you might think, and in just about 5 minutes you'll be ready to enhance your presentations with a range of exciting features. First things first, you need to open Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's where our journey begins. If you're not familiar with getting started, just look for the PowerPoint icon on your desktop, Start menu or taskbar if you've pinned it there, and click to open it. Once you've successfully launched PowerPoint, you're ready for the next step. Now with PowerPoint open, you'll be greeted by the opening screen. This is where you can see your recent documents or choose to open a new file. For our purposes, you'll want to either open an existing presentation that you're working to enhance with an add-on, or start a new one if you'd like to experiment without affecting your existing work. Go ahead and select your file, and let's move on. Once your presentation is open, you'll need to navigate to the Home tab. The Home tab is one of the primary tabs in PowerPoint and sits right at the beginning of the ribbon. That's the toolbar at the top of your screen. This tab includes some of the most commonly used features, but today we're looking for something a bit different. After finding your way to the Home tab, look for an option labelled Add-ins. The Add-ins button might not immediately stand out, so take your time to locate it. It's your gateway to extending PowerPoint's functionality. Clicking on Add-ins will open a new panel or window, depending on your version of PowerPoint displaying available add-ons. This brings us to the crucial part, searching for and installing your add-on. This area allows you to explore a wide range of add-ons created by developers to work seamlessly within PowerPoint. Think about what you need. Are you looking for interactive polling for your presentations, or maybe a complex data visualization tool? Whatever it is, you can likely find an add-on to match your needs. Once you've identified what you're looking for, use the search function within the add-ins area to find it. Take your time browsing through the options until you find one that suits your requirements. When you've made your choice, it's as simple as clicking Install. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Each add-on will have its own set of installation steps, but they're usually very straightforward. You might need to accept some permissions or log into an external service, depending on the add-on's requirements. After installation, you'll find your new add-on ready to use within PowerPoint. How you interact with it can vary significantly depending on the add-on's functionality. Some add-ons will add new tabs to your ribbon, while others might integrate directly into your slides or the PowerPoint interface in other ways. Spend a few moments familiarizing yourself with how your new tool works. A good tip here is to look for any tutorials or documentation provided by the add-on developer. These resources can be incredibly helpful in getting you up to speed. And that's it. You've successfully added an add-on to your Microsoft PowerPoint, opening up a new range of possibilities for your presentations. Remember, the world of PowerPoint add-ons is vast and varied, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different tools to find what works best for you. Enhancing your presentations with add-ons not only can make your work easier, but also more impactful. So dive in, and happy presenting. Thank you for joining me in today's video tutorial. I hope you found it informative and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials. See you in the next video.